Oh, what's this?
Alright guys, so who has some video ideas? Yeah, Chris.
Monsters in the green screen.
Super cool. Oh, I love that. Fran?
3 a.m. for a trailer.
Very cool.
Pizza monsters, maybe? Fidget Cube.
Alright.
What? What's happening? What the heck? Oh my god!
That was weird. Alright, yeah. Alright, back to monsters. Can someone go get it, please? Thank you.
Hello?
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
That was, but it was creepy. That was weird. You all are worrying about nothing. It's probably just an internet fail. That was weird.
I don't know what happened. Who did it?
I like ducks and dinosaurs, but even that was weirder than me.
That was weird. It was probably like blah blah blah. What was that even? I don't know what they even said. That was like weird.
That was really scary, and I didn't like that.
What if a boy or a girl tried to haunt our classroom?
Maybe it was all a dream, but how could we all have the same dream at the same time?
That was strange.
I think we might just be seeing and hearing things, I guess.
I have so much work to do today, I just can't. Great Scots, what is that? That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. Our last question, that's right, we don't do it. Yo guys, look what I found. It's crazy.
Wow!
Look at it.
It's honestly so addicting. Nice.
Come on, Dave, you try it.
Okay.
I don't think so.
You're sure? Not that way. I know it's boring. This is cool.
I know, right?
Yeah, Josh, it's so cool. Yeah.
Who wants to keep playing with it?
Alright guys, that's class. Head to period 2.
I almost forgot. Josh, are you doing it? I almost forgot this.
No, not today.
That thing is so cool, right? There we go. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna save up my money.
How about it's really going to be hot, then Friday's going to be thunderstorms. I know. You want to play
Oh, I don't feel so.
Like, I don't feel good.
Oh man, I don't feel so good. Oh.
Let's just rock, paper, scissors. What's going on?
We could have lost our foxtails.
It was almost like they were acting like cubes.
That's because they are. They're trying to just make people into cubes. I guess we're the only survivors.
We need to get out of here, right?
Good idea.
now.
Let's run.
Guys, we need to find out who's doing this.
Good idea.
Yeah, I think I saw someone running down the hall.
Me too.
I think the cube is the problem. Well, because they're acting like cubes.
And everybody, and everybody is playing with the
That's
cube.
it. And I saw a yellow masked guy.
All right, guys, we need to get out of here.
Yeah.
I'm going.
Yeah. Come on, guys, let's keep it moving. We have to find it. Hey, look who I found. It's that yellow masked guy. He's the Fidget Cube master. Let's follow him. Get him! He's hiding. He's hiding. Hey! Why are you doing this? Please answer me.
Oh, I know what he's saying.
What is he saying?
He can't talk, so he needs friends.
Now I get it.
Yes. And he couldn't say so because he can't talk.
Yes, he can.
No, he can't.
I never knew that.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's move it. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. I like to move it. Move it, move it.
Holy
Guys, you guys may want to see this.
Holy macaroni, what's going on?
Are you sure?
Why is there spinning fidget cubes? One's green, one's blue, one's pink?